Alright guys, welcome to another episode of PATTAY'S Performance. If you guys watched my previous video, we talked about my scrap guy came, and I got this, the weed whacker, another weed whacker, that backpack blower, and he just dropped off this lawnmower right here. $10. Now the lawnmower, I'm going to combine, hopefully, with this lawnmower that I found in the garbage. Missing the wheels, missing the air cover, but we'll figure it out. But anyway, I just got a call. I have to work mandatory overtime tonight on top of tomorrow. I have to go in at 10 o'clock tonight. So I was going to try and do something else, but let's go with the quick, easy money. Hopefully. Echo ES250 hand blower, missing the tube. I think I might have one off a backpack blower. Now, in order to expedite the diagnostic process, we're going to see if this thing runs. Actually, is there gas in here? What am I doing? There's no gas in here. Let me put some gas in here. Alright, we got gas. The primer bolt popped, which is, oh shit, and it's leaking out of the fuel. What the hell is this? Oh, that's the overflow. Alright, let's fix that real quick. It's pissing out of this line right here. That's an easy close. Alright, we'll just trim the broken part. This is too small. Okay. Alright, let me get my... Can't use that. Let's get my dikes. And let's just snip this bad part out. I'll put this hog ring back on, I guess. And no more fuel leak. And this was jammed right in that hole. We're gonna leave. Now this is popped. So obviously we cannot prime it. So we're going to use ether as our primer. Let's see if we can get this thing right. Stop switch on. What is this here? Okay, this is broke. Throttle. How does the throttle move? Is this? Oh, we gotta figure out this throttle. Okay, that ball is missing. There's a ball inside here. We have to hook this ball back on. Somehow, we have to get it to stay. Alright. Anyone else here? Yes. There we go. Throttle's hooked. We're good. We're going to have to clean this carburetor. What do you think? It's not fine. Alright, let's see if this tube works. Well, that's it. Look at that. Alright, now we got to replace this primer bulb. 4 Phillips screws here. Hopefully I have a primer bulb from my junk pile. I say junk pile, but you know, the spares I get when I get extra carburetors. So let's 4 screws, and we should just be able to remove this plate. I hope. Man, Mr. Easy Money. Mr. Easy Money. Well, that worked out wonderful. So that means my $10 investment is already covered. What the hell do I want to work on next? I don't plan on going through it this fast. At $10, this thing was almost free. Alright, so I'm having trouble, so I'm just going to back out these torques for the carburetor a little bit so I can move this housing out. Now, what I'm going to show you, hopefully, is that there's a hidden adjustment on these carburetors. I'm going to see if I can get a little bit more power out of this thing and really blow people away. I mean, listen, I don't deal with handheld blowers, so I don't know how much this sells for new. I have to look it up. But I think if I really turn the juice up on this thing, maybe 125 bucks, you think? I'll clean this thing, put a nice detail on it, you know, call it a day? I don't know. Let's see. Man, I don't know why I'm getting a lot of primer bulbs lately. You want to hear something funny? Is that I have that extra blower tube, as I bought a Red Max off a guy, and he had that on the Red Max. I can't sell that like that. Took my extra primer bulb, stuck it in here. Does it fit? Yes, it does. See if it slid right in there? Jesus. So it's always good to get in touch with your local scrap guy. Well, you know what? I don't get in touch with him. He actually came across me. So I pay $5 a lawnmower from him and $1 for every weed whacker or small item such as this. Now, he's a very honest and nice guy. If I don't fix it, he'll give me my money. But I don't do that. And then if I need any scrap picked up, you know, he'll pick it up for me. He doesn't give me a discount on the next purchase, which is okay. I definitely don't expect it at all. And, yeah, that's really it. He approached me and says, hey man, listen, just pay a little bit more. And he said scrap was down, so he went below his price. And honestly, I don't care. I would have gave him more, but oh well. So let's tighten this down. And I'm thinking this bulb popped because maybe this isn't priming. There's that orifice is actually blocked. So let's see. Oh no, it's not. Interesting. Alright, so let's tighten this carburetor screw down. And then we'll see if we could try and adjust. Let's see if this thing fires first. Off the primer. On. What happened? Which choke? Not leaving. So we will. Choke. So we raised the RPMs just a little bit. Let's see if we can go a little bit more. Hey. No. Spark plug's loose. Let's tighten the spark plug. Wow. 3/4? Man, look at this. Look, see that? Just no effort. You know what? Let's just see. And this thing runs good. Let's just check the gap on it. Oh. Don't ask me why I thought it was going to be any different. And that bitch is hot. Just a nice good crank, so it's nice and tight. And let's try this one more time. This is hot, so let's just see. or blew the tube off. To raise the idle, you think? Raise the idle just to Well, part 1 is done already. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Oh, 5. God damn it. Forgot about those. So anyway, man, if you guys found this video helpful, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Remember, Echo EB250.